We are heading over to Padstow in this video. Padstow is a charming harbour town on the north coast of Cornwall, sitting at the mouth of the River Camel. Once a small fishing port, it's now known for its beautiful coastal scenery, sandy beaches and relaxed seaside atmosphere. The town has narrow, winding streets filled with independent shops, cafes and galleries, and it's especially famous for its food scene, with several well-known seafood restaurants. In this video, we cover boat trips from the harbour and exploring nearby beaches and beautiful locations close by.
Padstow may be a small harbour town on Cornwall's north coast, home to the close-knit local community. Over the years, like many seaside destinations, second homes and holiday lets have made parts of the town feel quieter outside the busy seasons. But the spirit shines brighter every May Day during the famous Obios Festival, one of the oldest traditional celebrations in the UK. The streets fill with music, dancing and two rival hobby horses parading through the town in a colourful, noisy and unforgettable tradition. Padstow has also become a popular film and TV location, most recently featuring its productions like The Salt Path, thanks to its stunning harbour views and dramatic coastline. And to add in its scenic camel trail for walking and cycling along the estuary, you'll find that Padstow offers far more than meets the eye, a town rich in history, tradition and coastal beauty.
Food here is shaped by the sea. Freshly landed fish, Cornish crab, mussels and lobster appearing on menus daily. Often prepared simply to let the natural flavours shine. You'll find everything from classic fish and chips enjoyed by the harbour to refined dining experiences that attract food lovers from across the country. Padstow is perhaps best known for its connection to celebrity chefs whose restaurants help put the town on the Culinary map. But beyond the famous names, Padstow offers a wide variety of independent cafes, bakeries, pubs and bistros, each adding its own character to the town's food scene. Local ingredients are at the heart of Padstow dining. Cornish beef and lamb, farm-grown vegetables, artisan cheeses, and freshly baked bread all feature prominently. Many eateries change their menus with the seasons, reflecting what's available locally at that time.
A popular activity when visiting Padstow is taking a boat trip across the River Camel to the small village of Rock, just opposite the harbour. The journey only takes around 5 minutes, but it offers fantastic views of Padstow waterfront, fishing boats and surrounding coastline. These passenger ferries run regularly throughout the day, especially in the summer, and have been connecting the two sides of the estuary for generations. Rock itself is known for its sandy beaches, sailing and relaxed atmosphere, making it a perfect short excursion. The trip is simple, affordable and gives visitors a chance to experience the beauty of the Camel estuary from the water while enjoying a traditional part of Padstow life.
There are so many beautiful beaches and coastal spots to explore around Padstow that really shouldn't be missed. Whether you're looking for long walks, family-friendly beaches or a quiet cove, there's something for everyone, all within a short car journey, boat or walk. Damer Bay is located just across the River Camel. You can catch a short ferry ride from Padstow itself or drive around in about 20-ish minutes. It's a peaceful spot with soft sand, calm waters and a lovely coastal walk, perfect for relaxing or paddling. Rock is well known for its miles of golden sand, stunning views back across the Camel estuary and fantastic walking routes. It's also home to the famous St Enodoc golf course, ideal if you fancy a round of golf in a truly scenic setting. Polzeath is further along the coast. This place is vibrant and very popular family beach. It's great for swimming and offers plenty of water sports. If you're a keen surfer, kayaker or paddleboarder, check out the local surf schools in the centre of its village while you're there. Constantine Bay is around a 15-minute drive from Padstow and sits next to Trevose Golf Course. With golden sands and rising sand dunes, this place looks like it could be in Australia. Boobies Bay, what a name. And no, it's not a nudist beach. And the beach was named after a tropical seabird, would you believe? This area is very tide dependent, so it's always worth checking tide times before visiting. Harlyn Bay is another favourite, known for its white sandy beaches, climbing sand dunes and excellent surf conditions, while Stepper Point offers breathtaking coastal walks and dramatic sea views. For something quieter, Butterhole Beach and Hawker's Cove are hidden gems, perfect for the peaceful walks and spotting wildlife. This is about an hour's walk from Padstow itself, following the coastal path. Trianon and Trevone both offer beautiful beaches, rock pools and scenic coastal paths, making them ideal for families and explorers alike. North Cornwall has something special around every single corner. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button for more local guides to the southwest of the UK. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.